Most can coordinate can freeze. We're gonna lose immediately.
I'm gonna carry chose.
We're gonna get tired.
No one in here, dude. No one in here.
Just wait. That's crazy. That's crazy. My friend is dead, leaving a club, boom in a tundra.
Just thinking what I did, Jabba.
It's okay. Hold the cup right there.
No, it won't.
Get black in one country, bro. One country, not country that is one of them African country there.
We are not getting in a match.
The video isn't gonna
lose off on the views from the Caribbean and the USA.
Not the
You know,
Caribbean.
copyright those.
It's not the Caribbean or the USA. It gets blocked from. It gets blocked from.
No, I mean, I know.
Some African country.
Like, this might sound crazy, but all copyright does just make you not get money.
Yeah,
It's not crazy.
Let me can't monetize the video. And you can't monetize the video either way. So you're not losing anything, are you?
Nah.
And monetizing an old video doesn't give you the views that you could have gained before.
Yo, but can't do thing with handicapped people in the dog.
Green Kiyoshi. Yanking at 3 a.m.
I'm not going to be up.
No, Kaito's newest video is called Yanking at 3 a.m. Yeah, why is it mother naming the guild names? Must be a joke. Friends, yeah, leaving. Cool. Kids. I only play this song for 2 seconds. You won't get copyrighted.
Yo, let's just do that you say so bored in maybe.
Nice.
I am not doing this anymore.
Okay, if you don't get a match at 10:41, I'm lucky leave.
What in?
Yo.
New wife.
Oh, I'm wife.
That's the man.
Wala de. Yeah, my opinion, Deluvian I want, Deluvian again.
Wait, give me after I send this, you send the Agamatsu.
Agamatsu, yeah.
Please stop touching for a second. There you go.
Steven said, let's do Deluvian, knowing the nigga Bill White.
I'm leaving.
Walk on P5, E5 kid. Where?
Wait, I wanna join.
We can watch.
Hey, is guild-based spawned, boat spawned, anything spawned?
Wow. Yeah, go put me in 200.
Steven, join up, man.
The deal, buddy.
What?
Join. I just
Sure,
want to
bro.
watch.
Let's come spawn the base.
Yeah, let's watch. I'm gonna bring my teleportation though. So.
Yeah, man. Bring
What's the server name?
My camera bell over there. Theory, man.
Repeat that.
Theory,
Okay.
Cherry demon. Wow.
See that shit? So I'm guessing I'm in the trend looking at.
CHEERY.
Oh wait, was he actually saying Kiri?
CHEERY.
Was Kratos actually saying Kiri?
I don't know.
What?
He said Sherry. He said Sherry.
Oh,
Bro,
I said cherry.
I must not be. No. I was gonna ask, are you retarded? Because I wonder if I'm not hearing things right.
I
Look
said
at
cherry.
Kettle, man. Go, Kitty. I believe in you,
Wait.
man. Don't lose that,
Kratos,
man.
skill based spawn or something? I can
You
reset.
bet, yeah. Get spawn.
My friend's dead. Leave him the cold. Put him in the
I
tundra.
believe in you, Kato Ryan. You got this. You're
Hey, guys,
number
Kato
one
here.
YouTuber.
Bro, is he not the number one YouTuber?
You know the bush I watch Kato.
That was not even the number one 500 subs YouTuber.
How much subs gets that?
600.
Get a fight this cryptid guy and one
Is
suck.
that 600?
I believe so.
Yeah, kids.
Damn.
Just 400 more
That's
than
it, that's enough.
per night.